How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. This is Hazy, and in today's video we are going to a big car show here in Victoria. It's one of the best in the year. Lots of sports cars, lots of classic cars, just modifications and all that kind of good stuff. So again, we're at my boy Damon's, and we're just gonna head out from here and just picking up the crew and stuff. Again, amazing little GXR 600 here. Looks beautiful. I couldn't ask for a better bike right now. And yeah, we're gonna hit the road. Today we are getting the boys back together and we're gonna go to a car meet called Light-em-up. This is a season opener. Lots of cool sports cars and just different vehicles, maybe some old-fashioned ones. Usually this is a pretty cool event. This is the first one of the season, so yeah, I'm not going to talk a bunch. We're just going to get on the road. We just finished breakfast at Spoons. Shout out to them because great breakfast ideas and all that. Kind of a weird location down here, downtown. But yeah, let's get on the bikes and get on the road. We got some pretty sexy bikes here. Looks good. Alright, we're at the Light-em-up event now. Gonna show you guys some cars. Gonna do a little walk around, might not talk a bunch. Lots of stuff is happening, so hopefully there's not gonna be any copyright music and stuff like that. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there. That's a big boy. That is so clean. A red NSX. So sick. Can't really see the engine in this one, but beautiful, beautiful interior. Momo steering wheel, Momo shift knob. Super sick. It's a crazy interior, like suede. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And there's no rims. Pink Integra. It's pretty sick. Sick. Super sick little Del Sol there. What is it, the Corolla? Oh. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, they make like shark nose from that car too.
A little bit of carbon bits. He won an award. Best import. Wow. Super sick car. Not a huge fan of Lancers, but they do look good. Beautiful R34. I'm just gonna keep saying beautiful in this video because everything is beautiful. Carbon hood. Old Beetle. Cool little 8.6. I like the pink color.
Yeah, I love the wrap on it.
The bedazzled mirrors are sick. Oh, the interior's sick. I like the pink. That's super cool. Oh, but excuse me, a Toyota Supra. Is that a Supra? That's pretty sick. Is that a Supra? White rims, right hand drive. Damn. More hearts. That's pretty sick. So wide. Ferrari. Super nice, super cool. That's beautiful. beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, you said it. R32 action. Crazy paint job. And yes, I mean paint job. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the sparkle on that is crazy. Wow. The boys pulling up on these with our car parked in the back. Look at the size of that turbo, it's the size of my head. Damn. The wing on the back. Absolutely nothing in the interior. The Lotus. Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. We just left the car show, just came out to the airport, and we're actually on top of an Amazon factory right now, which is pretty freaking cool. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna throw some music in with some of those cars, just to show you guys some of that, and maybe just do an overlay of my voice, just to really put that out there. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't seen my other videos, go check them out for just doing some maintenance and other kind of moto vlogs, and I will catch you guys in the next one.